Welcome to the channel Maths by Swati ma'am. So we are with the trigonometry, as you people already know. So if you have not watched the previous videos, the links are provided in the description box. Please go through them, watch them, you will understand more. Fine. So we'll solve some questions related to the next exercise, that is 8.2. Try to remember all the things that what we have discussed in the previous classes. Fine. So we'll see the next question. We have here 2 tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan square 30. We need to choose the correct option here. Options are provided. Fine. So we'll simplify this. We'll simplify and we'll reach the answer. What is the question, dears? The question is 2 tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan square 30. Okay, 2 tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan square 30. Remember the tan 30 value? You have to remember tan 30 value is 1 divided by root 3. 1 by root 3. We'll substitute it. Okay, so we'll have here, see, 2 into, what is tan 30 value? I got 1 by root 3. So I'll substitute in the numerator 1 by root 3 whole divided by 1 plus tan square 30. Okay, tan 30 is 1 by root 3 and I need to square it. Okay, I need to square it. Do not forget, whenever square is there, you need to put it. Fine. Now dears, and I told you how to multiply. 2 ones are 2 divided by root 3 I have whole divided by, what is there in the denominator part? 1 by 1 plus. See, 1 by root 3 square is there and the square is applied to both numerator as well as to the denominator. So 1 square will be 1 and root 3 square will become 3. Yes or no? Because square and root will get cancel each other. Now simplify the denominator. Numerator I am going to keep it as it is. Dears, what is there in the LCM part? Sorry, what is there in the denominator part? 1 and 3. LCM also will be 3. Yes or no? So 1 3s are 3, 3 1s are 3. 1 3s are 3, 1 1s are 1. So what I got here? In the numerator 2 divided by root 3. In the denominator 3 plus 1, 4 divided by 3. And I told you in the previous classes also, whenever in the numerator also there is a fraction and in the denominator also there is a fraction, how to simplify? Denominator's denominator go to numerator and the numerator's denominator will come to the denominator. This is how you need to simplify. Okay, so here 2 and this 3 will go to the numerator and becomes 2 into 3 and this root 3 will come to the denominator and becomes root 3 into 4. Is it not? 2 ones are 2 twos are. What I got with the answer here? 3 divided by 2 into root 3 is how much? 2 root 3. 2 root 3. And you have to remember one more thing, dear. Can I write 3 as root 3 into root 3? Because you already know root 3 into root 3 is nothing but root 3 the square, where square and root will get cancelled. I again left with 3. So I'll write here 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 whole divided by, I have 2 into root 3. Root 3 got cancelled. What I left with? I left with only root 3 by 2. The final answer is root 3 by 2. But when you look at the options here, I don't have any option like root 3 by 2. But the trigonometric ratio values are given. Sine 60 is given, cos 60 is given, tan 60 is given, sine 30 is given. So among them, which value has got root 3 by 2, we need to identify. Yes or no? We have done, I told you, the table has to be remembered to simplify this type of a question. See, remember, what is sine 30 value? Sine 30 is 1 by 2. You know that. What is tan 60 value? Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Tan 60 is how much? Tan 60 is root 3. While cos 60 is how much? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. But what about sine 60, dears? Sine 60 is nothing but how much it is? Root 3 divided by 2. So our answer is nothing but sine 60, that is root 3 by 2. Understood? Fine. We'll move to the next question. Next question is, 1 minus tan square 45 divided by 1 plus tan square 45, and options are provided. Okay, so we'll simplify here. So let me write the question here. 1 minus tan square 45 divided by 1 plus tan square 45. And do you remember the value associated to tan 45? Exactly, you have to remember tan 45 value is nothing but how much? It is 1. So if I substitute, what I am going to get? See, 1 minus tan square 45, that is 1 square whole divided by 1 plus tan square 45, again 1 square. Fine. So now we'll simplify here. 1 square will be 1 divided by 1 plus 1 square will be 1. 1 minus 1 is nothing but 0, and in the denominator 1 plus 2 is 1 plus 1 is 2. So now you can see here, numerator part is 0 and denominator part is 2. So 0 by anything is nothing but how much? 0. So look at the options here. Tan 90, 1, sin 45, 0. Which is the answer? 0 is the answer. So D is the correct option. Next question we have here is sin 2a is equal to 2 into sin a is true when a equal to any of this value, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. Fine. So we'll check one by one. See, look at the board. What we have here is, see, sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a. Okay, sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a. First we'll take the value 0 and substitute. We'll check whether LHS equal to RHS or not. See, look at the board here. Sin 2 into a is 0. Okay, equal to 2 into sin a is 0. You know that sin 0 value is 0. Yes or no? Sin 2 into 0, which is nothing but sin 0, and 2 into, what is sin 0 value? I have 0. Sin 0 is also 0. 2 into 0 is also 0. Now this holds good for when a equal to 0. And for the time being, we'll check other values also. We'll cross check the other and we'll check whether they are possible or not. So we'll take the sin 30 degree. So now I'll write here sin 2 into 30 is equal to 2 into sin 30. You just see here, sin 2 into 30 will become 60, where 2 into sin 30 value is how much? 1 by 2. You have to remember it. See, sin 60 is how much, dears? Root 3 by 2, where here I got 2 to cancel with respect to 1, where I say that these two are not equal to each other. Like that, even 45 also not possible, dear, because sin 2 into 45 will become how much? 90 it will become, where in case here 2 into sin 45, that will 2 into 1 by root 2 it will become, here the sin 90 value will become 1. Hence it is not possible with respect to 30 degree, with respect to 45 degree, with respect to 60 degree. The true correct option is option A, that is 0 degree. Understood? Next question we have 2 tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan square 30. Okay, so we'll simplify this one. Options are also provided. We'll check and we'll mark the option at the end. What is there here? 2 tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan square 30. And you need to remember the tan 30 value, which is nothing but 1 by root 3. Yes or no, dear? So we'll simplify this one. 2 into tan 30 is 1 by root 3 whole divided by 1 minus tan square 30. 30 is 1 by root 3. We need to square it. Yes or no? 1 by root 3 the square. See, simplify this one. I told you this is numerator part. If nothing is there in the denominator, then 1 will be there. 2 ones are 2. That is 2 divided by root 3 whole divided by 1 minus, see, look at the board. See, this is in the fraction formation and the square is related to both the numerator and as well as to the denominator. 1 square will be 1, root 3 square will be 3. Okay, 1 square will be 1, root 3 square will be 3. Okay, we'll simplify this one here. Look at the board. 2 divided by root 3 whole divided by. If nothing is present means 1 will be there. What is the LCM of the denominator we have? 3. LCM of the denominator is 3 we have. 1 3s are 3, 3 1s are 3. 1 3s are 3 minus 1 1s are 1. This is the simplification. Yes or no? So now we have here 2 divided by root 3 whole divided by. 3 minus 1 is 2 divided by 3. I told you numerator's denominator will come to denominator. Denominator's denominator will go to numerator. So what the simplification formation will become, dears? This 2 will remain in the numerator and 3 will go to numerator. Whole divided by. Root 3 will come to denominator and 2 is already there in the denominator. Understood? See, 2 got cancelled. I left with 3 divided by root 3. And I told you 3 can be written as, how can I write 3 to simplify this root 3? 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 divided by root 3. Root 3 got cancelled. I left with root 3. What is the answer I got? Root 3. But when you look at the option, is there root 3 in the option, dear? No. What we have? We have cos 60, sin 30, tan 60 and sin 30 we have. Remember the values, dears. You already know that cos 60 is how much? 1 by 2. Sin 630 is how much? 1 by 2. Tan 60 is how much? Root 3. Where in case sin 30 is how much, dear? Again 1 by 2 itself. Okay. So which is the value which are necessary? Root 3 I need to have. Which one is giving you root 3? Tan 60. So we have tan 60 as the answer. Fine? Okay. Thank you for watching, dears. Keep watching. Subscribe the channel. I'll be giving you more questions which are related to board examination. I am sure that you will be perfect while end of the chapter, that is so-called trigonometry. If you have understood, please comment in the comment section and watch the previous videos which are provided in the description box. Thank you.